Yes, Your Honor. The normalization annex, it is our position that in that normalization annex, there are only two sections in it which need to be put in the law. One is on policing, which was subjected then to the work of the Independent Commission on Policing to make recommendations, and that is in the law. The second one will be the congressional affirmation of any amnesty proclamation, which will come towards the end of the process. It does say that there can be amnesty for MILF, and certainly that will need congressional concurrence. All of the other parts of the normalization is it is a political agreement, and we hold that this is completely within the powers and prerogatives of the executive. It does not need a new law. The Constitution is clear, there is only one armed forces, therefore the decommissioning of any other armed force is already within the law. The procedures, the principles are in the normalization annex. It is our position that we can already begin to execute this. In fact, the Joint Normalization Committee has already been formed. You will see within the year some major turnover of cruiser and high-powered weapons. That is already part of normalization. So, Your Honor, it is our position that the current legal mandates of the executive already allow this, and we just need to do it now. It is now policy that sets how it will be done. Certainly, as the work of the Joint Normalization Committee proceeds, we will be happy to brief Congress on how this will be going. And as I say, there will be some public demonstration that decommissioning is already happening even before the end of this year.
Thank you.